Hello, good afternoon. Yes, Ishita, how are you?
I'm fine, sir. How are you?
I am also fine. Due to your well wishes, I'm able to recover now very soon. Okay. Yes, Kritika, good afternoon. So, students, I'm taking the sessions from home, and right now, just a few minutes ago, internet connection was lost. So, I'm using mobile data. So, if you have any, disturbance, then you can let me know. Okay. So, right now, is my voice clearly audible to you?
Yes, sir.
Okay, good. So, we tend to forget few things. So let's have some revision about what we discussed about IFR, that is investment fluctuation reserve. Okay. So in accountancy, any reserve is having credit balance, and generally reserves needs to be distributed to the partners. So if reserve is credit balance and I want to distribute to the partners, so first of all, you need to debit the reserve. Okay, you need to debit the reserve. So we will have revision with a very beautiful question so that you will be able to understand how to do accounting in case of investment fluctuation reserves. Now, in your screen, you have question number 14th. So, Rushi, can you please read question 14?
Yes, sir. A, B, and C, who are presently sharing a ratio of 5:3:2, decide to share future further profit and losses in the ratio of 2:3:5. Give the journal entry to distribute investments fluctuation reserve of 20,000 at the time of change in profit sharing ratio when investment market value 95,000
Okay.
appears in the book at 1 lakh.
So, look here. In this question, we sorry, we are given two ratios, old ratio and new ratio. So which one is important? Old ratio is important. Why they give new ratio? Just to confuse you. Okay, so when they say they decide to share future profits in this ratio, so new ratio is not important. In distribution of reserve, reserve is past profit, it will be distributed in old ratio. Now look here, इन्वेस्टमेंट फ्लक्चुएशन रिजर्व, इन्वेस्टमेंट में अगर लॉस है तो इस रिजर्व को हम डेबिट करेंगे और बाकी का बचा हुआ पैसा वी विल डिस्ट्रीब्यूट टू पार्टनर्स. सो हियर वी हैव 1 lakh as investment की value appears in books at 1 lakh. So investment की book value balance sheet में है 1 lakh and market value is 95,000. So there is a loss. So I will write, you can note down the solution of question number 14. You will write a book value, if it is more, don't use short forms, write like this, book value which was given as 1 lakh minus market value was 95,000. So obviously it is a loss क्योंकि market value कम है. So loss is 5,000 and your journal entry will be like this. So you can prepare the format for around 5 to 7 lines like this. Dates are not mentioned, so no need to write the dates. So your journal entry will be like this. कि first of all debit the reserve, पूरा का पूरा reserve debit कर दो. So investment fluctuation reserve of 20,000. We were having 20,000. So I will write investment fluctuation reserve account debit. So entire 20,000 reserve I will cancel or distribute. Hence ये credit balance reserve को मैं debit करूंगा. And if there is a loss, investment की value down होगी. Investment is a debit balance. So I will have to credit investment with 5,000. Why? Because it is a reduction in value of investment. Market value was lower by 5,000. And now a remaining amount, 20,000 minus 5,000, what will be the remaining amount? Can you tell me? 15,000. So this I need to divide between the partners. बचा हुआ reserve partners को divide कर दो. Okay. So look here, name of the partners are ABC 532. So I will write to A का capital account, to B का capital account, and to C का capital account. 532. So 5 plus 3 plus 2, 10. 5 by 10, 3 by 10, 2 by 10. Okay. And I want to distribute 15,000 in this ratio. And this will give me the final answer. So 1,500 into 5, 7,500. 1,500 into 3, 4,500. And 1,500 into 2, it will be 3,000. And don't forget to write the narration. It is important even if you write in very simple way. So being investment fluctuation reserve, being investment fluctuation reserve distributed in old ratio. Okay. Though we have also adjusted the value of investment, but even if you write like this, it's okay. So raise your hand if you are clear about this situation. Okay, good. Feel free, बहुत easy है accountancy. Okay, कोई भी doubt है तो आप मुझे कभी भी stop कर सकते हो. Okay, now we have question number 15. The question को star mark करो. A very conceptual question. Manmeet, can you please read?
Nitin, Tarun and Amar are partners sharing profits equally and decide to share profit in the ratio of 2:1.
Okay, so
Sir,
देखो
WF मतलब
ऊपर लिखा था equally और ये लिखा है 2:1. WEF का मतलब है विथ इफेक्ट फ्रॉम, ओके, विथ इफेक्ट फ्रॉम। सो ये कौन सा रेशियो है 2:1, ओल्ड रेशियो या न्यू रेशियो? This is new ratio. Okay, so we don't require new ratio. So they are sharing profits equally. तो मुझे बताओ ओल्ड रेशियो क्या होगा? 3 पार्टनर्स इक्वल रेशियो में कैसे शेयर करेंगे?
Sir, 1-1-1.
परफेक्ट, 1:1:1. ओके, यस मम्मी।
With effect from 1st April 2021, the ex- the
Extract.
the extract of their balance sheet as at 31st March 2021 is as follows.
ओके, सो हमारे पास रिजर्व है 60,000 का एंड इन्वेस्टमेंट है 4 लाख का। अब देखो, वेरी सिंपल कंसेप्ट इज दैट कि इन्वेस्टमेंट की वैल्यू में जब भी लॉस होता है तो पहले तो है ना इसको डेबिट करो, और कभी हद से ज्यादा लॉस हो गया तो रिवैल्यूएशन को डेबिट करो। आई एम रिपीटिंग, ओके, आप मार्केट वैल्यू के साथ कंपेयर करो। सबसे पहले अगर लॉस होता है इन्वेस्टमेंट की वैल्यू में तो पहले किसको डेबिट करना है? रिजर्व को, बराबर। बचा हुआ रिजर्व पार्टनर को डिस्ट्रीब्यूट कर दो। लेकिन अगर रिजर्व ही 60,000 है और आपका लॉस 1 लाख का होगा तो एक्स्ट्रा 40,000 डेबिट कहां पर करोगे? रिवैल्यूएशन अकाउंट। ओके, सो बस इतना कंसेप्ट समझ लो, देन इट्स वेरी इजी। सो लुक हियर, वी हैव फर्स्ट सिचुएशन कि व्हेन मार्केट वैल्यू इज नॉट गिवन, कि जब मार्केट वैल्यू है ही नहीं। सो इफ मार्केट वैल्यू इज नॉट गिवन तो हम यही मानते हैं कि मार्केट वैल्यू इज सेम एज बुक वैल्यू। और याद रखियो, ये जो आपको 4 लाख दिया गया है वो है बुक वैल्यू। बुक वैल्यू मीन्स बैलेंस शीट की वैल्यू। ओके, सो इन बोथ द सिचुएशन 1 एंड 2 कोई भी लॉस नहीं है। अगर लॉस नहीं है तो केनाई से पूरा का पूरा रिजर्व किसको बटेगा? पार्टनर्स को, ओल्ड रेशियो में। सो लेट्स सॉल्व दिस क्वेश्चन नंबर 15. So I will write here question number 15. मैं ऐसे लिख देता हूं केस 1 and 2. So I will write book book value minus market value is equal to loss. So book value we assume that नहीं दिया है तो it is same, market value नहीं दिया तो we assume that it is same as book value, so there is no loss. If there is no loss, so you can understand entry will be similar to the above. The only difference will be that you will have to distribute the entire reserve. In this question they have given the date 1st April 21. So 1st April 21. So distribute the reserve, debit कर दो reserve को. So investment, fluctuation, reserve, debit. Reserve was 60,000. Yes. Credit. Credit will go to partners. Which are the partners? Nitin, Tarun, Amar, 1:1:1, old ratio. To Nitin's capital account, 1:1:1 means 1/3 each. Tarun and Amar to Tarun's capital account and to Amar's capital account. So 1/3 of 60,000. So 20,000 each. And narration, you will have to repeat in a similar way, being investment fluctuation reserve distributed in old ratio. That's it. Short and simple. So raise your hand if you are clear about this situation. Okay. Now अब देखिए सभी situation same है. The only thing is that we need to pay attention. Now in second situation we are lucky. अच्छा हुआ है. Why? Because market value is more than book value. तो नुकसान नहीं है, फायदा है. ओके और फायदा है तो एक अकाउंट को क्रेडिट करना पड़ेगा. एंड देखो नुकसान है तो वी डेबिट रिवैल्यूएशन अकाउंट, फायदा है तो वी क्रेडिट रिवैल्यूएशन अकाउंट. ओके रिवैल्यूएशन सिर्फ के एसेट की मूवमेंट के लिए ओपन किया जाता है, अल्टीमेटली गेट्स डिवाइडेड बिटवीन पार्टनर्स. तो हियर वी हैव बेनिफिट. सो व्हेन देयर इज ए गेन हम इस तरह से रिकॉर्ड करेंगे. सिचुएशन नंबर 3. So case number 3, I will write when your market value 4,24,000 is more than book value, which is 4 lakh. So there is a gain. Gain is of 24,000. तो गेन है तो देर इज नो नीड टू डेबिट. In case of gain, there is no need to debit investment fluctuation reserve. Okay. हाँ वो तो पूरा हम डिस्ट्रीब्यूट कर देंगे डायरेक्टली. तो फर्स्ट एंट्री रिमेन्स द सेम. 1 April 21. डिस्ट्रीब्यूट कर दो IFR इन्वेस्टमेंट. अच्छा कैन आई डू वन थिंग. ये ऊपर वाली जो एंट्री है ना वो तो मुझे फिर से पास करनी है. मुझे तो ये पूरा रिपीट करना है. तो यू विल हैव टू राइट दिस एंट्री अगेन. ओके सो प्लीज नोट 3 एंट्री होगी प्रॉफिट के केस में. फर्स्ट एंट्री यू विल हैव टू राइट और कॉपी फ्रॉम अबाउट. सो आई एम नॉट रिपीटिंग अगेन बट प्लीज राइट डाउन दैट एंट्री अगेन. Investment fluctuation reserve debit to partners account. $20 each. What were the names? NTA. Okay. Now this entry is important. This entry is to record the gain. अच्छा इन्वेस्टमेंट की वैल्यू बड़ी है तो आई नीड टू डेबिट इन्वेस्टमेंट अकाउंट. डेबिट एसेट को बढ़ाने के लिए फिर से डेबिट करना पड़ता है. सो इन्वेस्टमेंट की वैल्यू मुझे बढ़ानी है 24,000. And this 24,000 profit will be transferred to which account? Revaluation account. Being gain in value of investment record date. It's very easy. There was a gain in the value of investment जो हमने record कर लिया. It's very easy. And बस अब ये जो रिवैल्यूएशन है उसको पार्टनर्स के बीच में डिवाइड कर दो. चलो बताओ, ये रिवैल्यूएशन को डिवाइड करना है तो डेबिट करेंगे या क्रेडिट करेंगे? सोचो. Yes,
डेबिट करेंगे.
debit. Okay, so I will write revaluation account debit to partners. अब पूरा नाम लिखते हैं, नितिन, तरुण, अमर. to Nitin's capital account to Tarun's capital account to Amar's capital account. अच्छा, 24,000 डिवाइड बाय 3 कितना होगा? 8,000 each. And here your narration will be being gain on revaluation distributed in which ratio? In old ratio. So this completes our journal entries when there is a profit. So repeat, how many entries do we pass when we have profit? 1, 2 or 3? We pass 3 entries. Okay, when we have profit we pass 3 entries. पहले तो इन्वेस्टमेंट का रिजर्व पूरा डिस्ट्रीब्यूट कर दो, देन इन्वेस्टमेंट बढ़ाओ, गेन रिवैल्यूएशन में क्रेडिट करो, एंड देन ये रिवैल्यूएशन को खत्म करके डिस्ट्रीब्यूट अमंग पार्टनर्स. सो रेज योर हैंड इफ दिस इज क्लियर. Okay, good. Now look here, we have next two situation. Market value is 3,70,000. So 4 lakhs minus 3,70,000. तो मुझे बताओ यहाँ पर लॉस कितना है? 30,000. बट यहाँ पर लॉस ज्यादा है, यहाँ पर लॉस कितना है? 90,000. Because when we compare with 4 lakhs, so लॉस ज्यादा है. So ये सिचुएशन फिर भी ठीक है, because loss 30,000 है and we have enough funds in investment fluctuation reserve. ये एक ही जर्नल एंट्री में हो जाएगा. यहां पर जब लॉस आईएफआर से भी ज्यादा है तो 2 एंट्री चाहिए. सो लेट अस सॉल्व क्वेश्चन 4 जो ऊपर वाले सम की तरह था. सो आई विल राइट book value minus market value is equal to loss. 370, market value is 4 lakhs, so loss is 30. So I need to pass the entry. Only one entry is sufficient. On 1st April 21, investment fluctuation reserve debit we were having the reserve of 60,000 to this loss. It is just like earlier question. So there is a reduction in value of investment. तो इन्वेस्टमेंट के अकाउंट को क्रेडिट करना है क्योंकि रिडक्शन इन वैल्यू है, एसेट्स को गिराना है, क्रेडिट करना है. सो बाकी का बचा हुआ 30,000 will distribute between the partners. Nitin, Tarun, Amar. So to Nitin का कैपिटल अकाउंट, टू तरुण का कैपिटल अकाउंट, टू अमर का कैपिटल अकाउंट. And their old ratio was 1/3 each. So 1/3 of 30,000, each will get 10,000. Narration will remain same, being investment fluctuation reserve distributed in old ratio. And now situation number 5 is important. यहाँ पर loss is more than balance in IFR. Investment fluctuation reserve से ज्यादा loss है. So situation number 5 will have two entries like this: book value minus market value will give you loss. Book value was 4 lakhs. एक मिनट, मैंने ऊपर रिवर्स लिख दिया था. Make one correction. Book value was 4 lakh. Market value was 370. Right now, book value in next situation was same 4 lakhs. Market value keeps on changing, and in the question they have given 3,10,000. So there was a loss of 90,000. Okay. So look here, what we will do. इन्वेस्टमेंट की वैल्यू डाउन करनी है 90,000 से, रिजर्व में पैसे नहीं है तो डेबिट रिवैल्यूएशन. फर्स्ट अप्रैल 2021. So what we will do, I'll write investment fluctuation reserve account debit $60,000 was the value, and this is very important. Revaluation account debit $30,000. Why I will use 30,000 only? Because मुझे इन्वेस्टमेंट की वैल्यू 90,000 से डाउन करनी है, तो दिस इज माय बैलेंसिंग फिगर. ओके, सर्कल कर सकते हो, ये बैलेंसिंग फिगर मैंने लिखा है, पेंसिल से लिख सकते हो. सो टू investment account, because there is reduction in value, $90,000. So what I will write, being reduction in value of investment recorded, bus, simple. Okay, and now I will pass another entry. What about revaluation account? What do you feel? इसको डिस्ट्रीब्यूट करेंगे. So should I debit or credit? Hello, I hope you are able to see the screen.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Since I was using mobile data, so there was some disturbance. So I will debit partners account to revaluation account. So revaluation 30,000 credit, and I will transfer this loss by debiting the partners. Okay. And names of the partners are Nitin, Tarun, Amar. So Nitin's Tarun's Amar, the capital account. Okay, and old ratio is 1/3 each. So each will get 10,000. And narration you can write. Okay, so now tomorrow we will continue. What narration we will write? Being loss on revaluation distributed in old ratio. That's it. Okay, so chaliye, tomorrow we will continue. We will keep smaller sessions for this week, and gradually, as and when I fully recover, we can have more lengthy sessions. Okay, chaliye, bye bye. Feel free to ask any doubts.